Okay, I've got my door off my stove and I got it propped up on an old blanket on an outdoor workbench here. Put a brick up here on this end to give the door handle a little relief so it's not resting solely on the door handle. But now in order to remove this window glass, what I need to do is remove bolts here, 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 and here that are holding the these little catches, these little L-shaped brackets. That actually is what holds the glass, and the bolts are just holding the brackets themselves. So I got a little wrench here and I'm going to start removing them. Get that one loosened up. I did spray these down ahead of time because they are a little bit rusty. I put a little bit of PB Blaster on them, just as little as possible, because I don't want to have that burning off inside the house once I fire up the stove any more than necessary anyway. But it definitely helps to loosen things up if you hit it with some penetrating fluid. And we'll see how these actual bolts come out. That one's sure is easy. I'll just get them loosened up here at first. Yeah, they're coming out pretty easy. Let's see what these top ones are like. That's almost like it's a different size. It's just kind of a tight fit for some reason. That's coming off pretty easily too. Well, it's a tight fit on this wrench. I don't have the exact right wrench. It's probably a 3/8 size, but I got a 11mm wrench I'm making do with. I don't have the world's greatest assortment of tools. I got a lot of good tools, but I don't have all that I will ever want, I don't imagine. And these are all coming out, so I'm going to go ahead and shut the camera off and get these little brackets off of here and